Qwen 3.6 Plus, free, update. You've been paying for AI tools you don't need to pay for. You've been using models that can't handle your full code base. You've been hitting context limits and starting over from scratch. And the whole time, Alibaba just quietly dropped something that fixes all of that for free. Qwen 3.6 Plus is here. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it does, why it matters, and how to start using it today without spending a cent. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. I help people actually learn and use AI tools, not just talk about them. So let's get into it. Qwen 3.6 Plus dropped on April 2nd, 2026, and within one day of launch, it topped the daily usage rankings on OpenRouter, one of the biggest model API platforms on the planet. That doesn't happen by accident. But before I tell you what makes this model special, let me give you some quick context on where it came from, because understanding the jump from 3.5 to 3.6 is actually really important. The Qwen 3.5 Plus model was already solid, but developers and the broader community had real feedback, gaps in tool calling, limitations in complex coding tasks, and challenges with multi-step agentic work. Alibaba actually listened to all of that. They went back, addressed those concerns directly, and built 3.6 Plus from the ground up with that feedback baked in. This is why it matters. This isn't just a numbers bump. This is a meaningful architectural upgrade driven by real-world usage. So let me walk you through exactly what changed. And there's a lot to cover, so stay with me because the context window section coming up is genuinely mind-blowing. Let's start with the one thing that affects everything else, the context window. Qwen 3.6 Plus ships with a 1 million token context window as the default, not optional. Not a paid tier, default. To put that in perspective, 1 million tokens is roughly equivalent to 2,000 pages of text, and that's your entire code base, your full API documentation, hours of logs, all in one prompt, all at once, no chunking required. For regular chat, yeah, you'll never use that, but for agentic work, for autonomous coding agents that need to reason across massive amounts of context, this is essential. Now let me get into what really sets this model apart. Agentic coding. Alibaba describes this as a massive capability upgrade, and the benchmarks actually back that up. On WeBench, one of the most respected real-world coding benchmarks out there, Qwen 3.6 Plus matches Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.5 in both programming and agent performance. That's not a small claim. Claude Opus 4.5 is a frontier model. On Terminal Bench 2.0, it also puts up competitive numbers against Claude Opus 4.5, though it's worth being transparent here. Claude Opus 4.6, which dropped later in December 2025, does score higher at 65.4% on that benchmark. So it's not beating everything, but it is absolutely in the conversation with the best. What does this look like in practice? We're talking about the model being able to handle front-end web development, repair complex bugs across large code bases, manage terminal operations, and execute multi-step automated tasks, all without falling apart when things get complicated. This is what the Qwen team is calling vibe coding. You describe what you want, and the model figures out how to make it happen across your real code base. Not a toy example, not a single file, the whole repo. And here's something I want you to pay attention to, because it comes up later. The model integrates deeply with tools you probably already use. It works with Claude Code, Kilo Code, Klein, OpenCode, Qwen Code, and more. You don't have to rebuild your workflow from scratch. You plug it in. There's a point in every AI journey where you go from this is cool to I actually need a community around this. When I first started going deep on tools like this, I was constantly overwhelmed trying to figure out what actually worked versus what was just hype. That's when I built a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Okay, back to what Qwen 3.6 Plus can actually do, because we haven't even touched multimodal yet. And this is where it gets interesting. The model isn't just a text and code model, it's a full multimodal system, meaning it understands both text and images together. And in this version, they made significant improvements across 3 specific areas. First, advanced multimodal reasoning. The model now handles complex document understanding, physical world visual analysis, video reasoning, and visual coding. What that means practically is you can hand it a screenshot of a UI, feed it the relevant code, and ask it to figure out what's wrong, or build something new that matches what it's seeing. The model bridges the visual and the code side in a way that earlier versions couldn't do as reliably. Second, real-world applicability. They optimized specifically for genuine business scenarios, things like instruction following, text recognition, object identification, fine-grained visual perception. One example they highlight is retail intelligence, where you need a model that can look at product images, understand labels, compare items, and do something useful with that information. Third, complex task execution. The model is evolving toward what Alibaba describes as a native multimodal agent, something that can continuously perceive, reason, and act in real-world environments. That's a bigger vision, but the progress in this version is real and measurable. Let's talk about something new in the API that a lot of people are going to sleep on, the preserve thinking feature. When you're using Qwen 3.6 plus for agentic tasks, meaning multi-step long horizon work where the model needs to make a series of decisions, the model normally discards its internal reasoning from previous turns. That means it has to re-reason from scratch on every new step. With preserved thinking enabled, the model keeps its reasoning from all previous turns. The result? Better decision consistency across long tasks. And in many cases, reduced token consumption because the model isn't starting over every time. It's disabled by default. But for any serious agentic workflow, you'll want to turn it on. This is the kind of detail that separates people getting average results from people actually building robust, reliable systems. Now let me get practical. How do you actually access this? Qwen 3.6 Plus is available through Alibaba Cloud Model Studio's API. The API is compatible with OpenAI's spec, which means if you've ever used the OpenAI API, you can switch to this with minimal code changes. So they also support Anthropic's API interface, so you've got flexibility there too. The model ID is Qwen 3.6 Plus. If you don't want to set up a full API integration right now, there's also a free version available on OpenRouter at Qwen 3.6 Plus free. You can start experimenting immediately. No setup, no cost. Let me also touch on the general capability improvements because the coding stuff is the headline, but this model didn't sacrifice its core language abilities to get there. On STEM reasoning benchmarks, it sets new records for performance on very difficult problems. On long context information extraction, pulling specific information out of massive documents, it leads. On multilingual benchmarks, specifically something called MMLU procs, which tests across 29 languages, it holds strong. And on WMT24 translation tasks covering 55 languages, it's competitive with the best models out there. So this isn't a one-trick model that's great at code and falls apart everywhere else. And the Qwen team is specifically calling out what they describe as an all-rounder characteristic: deep reasoning, huge contextual memory, precise tool execution, all working together. Here's what I think the bigger picture looks like and why this release is worth paying attention to even if you're not a developer. The Qwen 3.5 series came out in February 2026. Qwen 3.6 Plus dropped just a couple of months later. Alibaba is moving fast. They're pushing toward what they describe as highly autonomous super agents, AI systems that can handle real-world, cross-domain, long-term planning without needing constant human guidance. We're not fully there yet. But each release is a step, and the fact that a free version of this model is sitting on OpenRouter right now, available to anyone, is significant. If you're building workflows, learning to work with AI agents, or just trying to stay current on what's available, Qwen 3.6 Plus deserves time in your stack. Let me quickly recap what we covered so you can move on this. 1. Qwen 3.6 Plus is available now, free on OpenRouter and via API through Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. 2. 1 million token context window. Default. Not a premium feature. 3. Drastically improved agentic coding. Handles front-end dev, repo-level problem-solving, terminal operations, and multi-step automated tasks. Benchmarks match Claude Opus 4.5. 4. Better multimodal reasoning, image understanding, video reasoning, visual coding, all improved. 5. New preserve thinking API feature for better consistency in agentic tasks. 6. Integrates with Claude Code, Clean, Kilo Code, Open Code, and more. 7. Built directly from community feedback on the 3.5 series. There's a lot more to dig into with this model, especially around building full agentic workflows and getting the best out of the API features. That's content I'll keep covering, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on so you don't miss it. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's it for today. Go try Qwen 3.6 Plus. It's free. There's no reason not to. See you in the next one.